Okay, so I have downloaded the instructions and printed them out for myself. I've followed the instructions up to this point as close as I possibly could. Now they have one application where it says, you have to take all the pipes out. That ain't happening. There ain't no way I'm getting in there and trying to take those pipes out. This is supposed to be an easy fix, not a nightmare. So anyway, there's a little lock on here, and I was trying to figure out how to get it out. So I just started twisting it, and I think that's hopefully how to get it out. All right. Maybe not. Oh, goodness. Well, that didn't work. Twist the top. Let's see if that'll work. So this is where instructions, because I don't even have this about the can being locked, would come in really handy if it was in with the kit that they send you. All right, so I can't get that out. Get a screwdriver, I guess. Let's see what's in there. It's stuck in there. I guess that's to prove that the thing is sealed, but you gotta be able to get it out in order to use it. Alright, so this is definitely something they want me to review it. I will review that. They need to tell you how to get this stupid thing off. Alright, I'm going to put this on hold and use two hands. Okay, so I did open that. See, it's one of those things. Like a cheesecake pan. This, I imagine, comes off. Oh my goodness. And I'm going to guess that I have to pry it. No, it is coming off. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's nice and white in there. Okay. Got that open. Now, this is the hardener for the covering. So let's see. Shake the bottle, the component B before opening. Okay, so I have to shake component B. Pour component B in the bucket with component A and mix with a 40 to 50 centimeter long wooden stick of rectangular section. Okay, so I'm guessing drill headers. Like a mixer will not be suitable for this. Drill headers will like a mixer. You can't use a mixer because it probably they do not mix the contents homogeneously mass properly. So since I don't have a paint stick, I went to the dollar store and got one of these. It's square. It'll help me get the stuff off the sides, and I think that it might be better than even a paint stick because it's got some weight to it too. Alright, so I'm going to be shaking. I'll be back.